Today we honor the men and women who wear the uniform because it is the third Saturday in May, Armed Forces Day. Created in 1949 by Secretary of Defense Lewis Johnson, this holiday replaced separate branch celebrations to symbolize the unity of our military under one department. It's a day for parades, air shows, and public demonstrations, all designed to give us a closer look at the people and the technology that keep the country safe. While Veterans Day honors those who served and Memorial Day remembers those we've lost, today is specifically for those currently on duty. Whether they are stationed at home or deployed overseas, these individuals dedicate their lives to a cause greater than themselves. It's about recognizing the sacrifice and the discipline it takes to stand on that line every single day. So, if you see someone in uniform today, take a moment to say thanks. Happy Armed Forces Day.